All right, good morning everybody. Had a pretty early start to the day, basically hiking around Mount Sneffles area. So I got up at about 5 this morning. I didn't want to vlog because I wanted to get up here as quick as possible. If you see that ridge right there, I had to summit that before, I wanted to summit that before the sun came up. And then on this other side, and I'm going down right now, is where these lakes are. Oh, look at deer. But yeah, basically there's 3 lakes. You can see 2 of them right here. And the one that's furthest down is the one that I'm going to. It's like right in those trees, kind of right below that second lake. That's where I'm heading this morning. I'll probably shoot a little more clips with the GoPro on the way down. But yeah, I will see you guys down there. Alright, so as you guys saw, I made it down to the furthest lake, snapped some photos, got some video. So yeah, I'm gonna hike back up to those other 2 lakes, but I'm gonna kind of take my time, and then yeah, I'll see you guys at the top. Alright guys, that's it. Made it back to the car. That's where I'm going to end the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Later guys.